Hi guys, hope you're doing well. A warm welcome in the shopping kingdom of idar.com. Guys, if you have a craving for shopping and if you wanted to have elegant and classy stuff in your wardrobe, then you can explore the website. Guys, this is not my website. I am just here to review the site and aware you all with an authentic and unbiased idar reviews. Guys, one thing is for sure, after my reviews, you're going to get to know whether the website is a legit or a scam. Guys, as you can look at the website has beautiful and featured collection of women wear. The women wear is very beautiful. Plus, it has collection of shoe wear that is quite classy. Plus, it has collection of beddings that will surely going to enhance your bedrooms. After that, we're going to straight away move ahead and we'll see what website has for you. Guys, we're going to see the terms of service section. Guys, in terms of service section, the company says that it provides you all the genuine information. The agreement, rules and regulation is available. Just go through them. The usage restrictions is there and there is much information available. Just check it out and then make your purchase. After that, guys, we're going to see the privacy policy, as the privacy policy actually defines the website. The website welcomes you at idar.com. The service says that it provides best services to its customers. It has all the necessary information updates available. You can go through and check it out. After that, guys, we're going to see the shipping policy. In shipping policy, approximately 1 to 2 days the website will take, not including weekends or holidays. After 3 to 5 business days, the product will reach your place. If you have any problem, you can enter your mail address and then easily subscribe, and you can avail the latest updates and sales on your email address. Guys, next is refund policy. In refund policy, guys, if you have any problem with the product you purchased, you can easily return the product within 30 days. You can easily make the exchanges also. You can call them, you can mail them. After that, guys, we're going to see the contact us section. In contact us section, if you have any problem related to product, you can leave your query. In 24 hours, the customer care section will call you or will mail you. The email is support@idar.com. Phone number is 831-776-1808. The address is also given. Write your name, your email address and then comment. Guys, after that, there is a section that is search and customer care section. You can go through them and easily see what they have for you. Guys, the company is available on Facebook, Google+, then on Pinterest, on Instagram and on YouTube. Guys, in my opinion, the website seems to be a scam because the information which site is having for you is not accurate. As per my research, the social media presence is fake. When you're going to click the Facebook section or the Instagram section, nothing will going to appear on the screen. It is not SSL encrypted. It is not secure. Even the customer reviews and Google reviews are not available. So guys, if you have already shopped from the website and you know about the site, product and its services, then do comment us. Share your information with other customers and save other customers also. If you think our review helped you out, please like the like button. Please comment on the comment box. And for more grasping information like this, do subscribe our channel. Happy shopping, shoppers. Have a great day ahead. And before signing off, this is my request to all of you that before making any purchase, do visit the website again and again. Do check their authenticity on Google and then avail your purchase. Thank you so much.